Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app random number generator action automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then click on Install, give it an account where you want to install in and click on Continue. Then click on Allow and Install. A custom menu link page is going to pop up. Copy the custom menu link, head to your account, click on Settings, then click on the custom menu links and click on Create New. You give it an icon. Here, we choose a sidebar preference and we give it an account where we want it to appear. Then you allow for whole visibility as all. Then you click on Save. Once you are done creating the custom menu link, switch to the account where you added the custom menu link and you click on it. Then the first interface of the app is going to pop up and we're going to see our app right here. And it is already connected. Let's walk you through if you made the app not connected. Click on Manage and the second interface is going to pop up where you will have access to some of the important features such as the documentation. We have the Smart Queue video and the configuration walkthrough video that's going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials of your app. We have the setup center. Our app has been connected. Let's walk you through on how to set this up. Enter your email and click on complete setup. There you go. Your app has been successfully connected and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for our team and book a call with our support team. We have the most interesting feature here, which is a changelog feature, where you're going to see all the new updates and changes concerning this app. And to receive email, toggle on the email notification button. Then you insert your email and click on the subscribe button. You've learned how to install and set up your app. If you find this video helpful, our support team is available 24/7 for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.